What's going on, everybody? Sean J77 with another unboxing video for you guys. Today we're gonna unbox this Nikon D7500 3000. Nah, it's D7500. With that, let's go ahead and get this. So there it is. So I got this at Best Buy for a pretty good price. It's actually discounted. There's some books. There's the rest. So it's a APS-C camera. There you go. Yep. There's the strap. USB cord. Charger. Yep. There's the rest of the stuff. Battery, charger. So there you have it. A quick unboxing of a D7500. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like the video if you like it. Thumbs down if no. But that's about it. Thank you guys for watching again, and I'll see you guys soon.